Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now I'll be doing unboxing of Mavic Mini. Here it is. Okay guys, let's open it. Here it is guys, inside the box. So let's open it. This is the aircraft guys. Wow. And this is the two-way charging hub. This is it. And this is the remote controller. And here are the USB cable or the connector. And here are the propeller guys, with 3 extra propeller. This is the propeller guard guys, 2 pieces propeller guard. Yeah, this is the battery. So 3 batteries. Wow, that's good. Like this. Awesome. With 3 batteries. So I guess no need to buy more. Wow, this is it. 3 batteries. So this is the adapter. The manual. So that's it. Oh, it's very nice guys, very handy. And I love also the carrying bag. Wow. I need a manual in order to assemble this drone. Okay, let's check it out. Guys, I already assembled the drone and also the remote control, so let's go outside to try it. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you are new to my channel, and click the notification bell so that you won't miss my upcoming videos. Keep safe everyone.